Have you ever felt trapped in the same arguments with your partner, wondering why even small disagreements spiral into fights? What if I told you that these conflicts, frustrating as they are, could actually be a path to growth for your relationship? Most people think that conflict is a sign of failure, but relationship experts explain that, when handled correctly, conflict can actually help couples understand each other better, deepen emotional intimacy, and grow stronger together. In this video, I'm going to walk you through why conflict happens, how to tell when it's healthy or destructive, and 5 practical strategies you can start using today to fight less and connect more. By the end, you'll see arguments not just as battles to win, but as opportunities to strengthen your relationship. Conflict doesn't appear out of nowhere. Often it comes from unmet needs, differing expectations, or emotional triggers from past experiences. For example, one partner may crave emotional closeness while the other values independence. When these needs collide, tension arises. Before you know it, a small disagreement, like who does the dishes, can turn into a full-blown fight. These are called hidden patterns, the way our unmet needs and past experiences show up in conflicts. If we don't understand the underlying causes, we end up fighting over the symptoms instead of the root issues. Imagine Anna wants to talk about her day to feel connected, while David just wants quiet after work. When Anna presses for conversation, David withdraws. She feels rejected, he feels pressured, and suddenly a small difference spirals into a fight. Now here's a twist most couples don't realize. Conflict can actually be a signal for growth. When handled correctly, conflict helps you understand your partner's needs, learn more about yourself, and build emotional safety in the relationship. The key is to approach conflict with curiosity instead of blame. Imagine a disagreement about chores. Instead of blaming each other, you ask, "Why does this matter to you?" You may discover that your partner's real need is feeling appreciated, not just arguing about dishes. Conflict doesn't have to tear you apart. When approached with curiosity and care, it becomes a tool for connection. Not all fights are beneficial. Here's how you can tell the difference. During healthy conflict, both people feel heard, issues are addressed respectfully, and emotional connection strengthens. During unhealthy conflict, there is escalation or contempt, withdrawal or stonewalling, and recurring arguments that never resolve. Recognizing these patterns helps you intervene before conflict becomes destructive. Here are 5 practical strategies you can use today to fight less and connect more. 1. Pause and breathe before reacting. Take a deep breath. This small pause gives your nervous system a chance to calm down and prevents escalation. Second, use I statements. Instead of saying, "You never listen," try, "I feel unheard when this happens." It expresses your feelings without blaming your partner. Third, practice empathic listening. Reflect back what your partner says. "What I hear you saying is." This ensures you understand them before responding. 4. Set safe space rules. No name calling, no interrupting. Take breaks if things escalate. Respecting boundaries keeps conflict productive. 5. Debrief later. After the argument, discuss triggers and unmet needs calmly. This helps you learn from each conflict and strengthens your bond. Let's look at a fictional couple, Sarah and John. They always argued about money. Sarah felt insecure about bills. John felt pressured and controlled. One evening, instead of escalating, they paused, used I statements, and listened to each other. They realized the real issue was trust, not money. Over time, their fights became fewer, and their emotional connection grew. Conflict became a signal, not a battle to win. If you found these strategies useful, you'll love what Lissy Abrahams' Fight Less, Love More program offers. It's a full course with guided exercises, practical tools, and strategies to help couples consistently apply these principles and break negative patterns. You'll find the link in the description below or in my bio if you'd like to explore it further. To recap, conflict is not the enemy. When handled intentionally, it can reveal needs, foster understanding, and strengthen your bond. Try one strategy this week. Pause, listen, or use I statements. You may notice a shift immediately. And like I said, if you want to go deeper, check out Fight Less, Love More in the description below. If this video helped you, Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.